I am Sister Soumya from St. Joseph Academy. I teaching general knowledge for 4th class. Page number 42 and 43. In page number 42, we'll learn about make a compost pit. Make a compost pit. Composting is nature's way of recycling. It makes the soil rich by breaking down wet waste and improving the quality of soil. You can do this activity with your friends in the garden or local park. See this picture. This is showing how to build a compost pile at home. Here showing compost pit. Put there green waste and brown waste. Students, you will need something for this. First of all, open space with the wet soil. Next, the soil. Next, lots of wet waste. That is, collect from the house of your neighborhood. Before starting, divide the wet waste into two parts. That two parts are green waste and brown waste. Which are the green waste and brown waste. In green waste, this includes food scraps, peels, cooked and uncooked foods, weeds, eggshells, etc. Then brown waste, this includes brown dry leaves, garden waste, animal waste, tea leaves, etc. Students, what are the example of green waste? Food scraps, peels, cooked and uncooked foods, weeds, eggshells, etc. Then, which are the example of brown waste? Dry leaves, garden waste, animal waste, tea leaves, etc. Students, this waste, how to make compost? First point, some points are given here. Then first point, select an open space with a wet soil. Second point, dig a deep pit. You can take the help of a gardener or take turn to dig a little one by one. Third point, place one bucket of green waste and 2 buckets of brown waste at the bottom of the pit. Now place a thin layer of soil to cover it. Keep the soil moist by adding water from time to time. Students, repeat it. First of all, open space with the wet soil. Then dig the deep pit. Then put 1 bucket green waste and 2 buckets of brown waste at the bottom of the pit. Then what is the? Place a thin layer of soil to cover it. Then keep the soil moist by adding water from time to time. Next point, make more such layers till you reach the top. Cover the compost pit. Then turn the compost regularly to let air in and keep adding water. Next point, your compost will take 8 to 12 weeks to turn into rich earthy color like soil. Okay students, see that next picture. Compost pile ready. It's using for field, garden, etc. we use in the house, these compost things. Okay, students, we will try like way make a compost pile with your parents or elders. Okay, students. Now we will see page number 43. Frame the question. Frame the question. A curious mind is full of questions. Do you look at things around you and ask questions? It is good to be curious and ask questions. Look at the Indian currency notes. Given below are some answers. What questions would arise in your mind if you were given these answers? Write them down. First answer, Reserve Bank of India. Two different questions are here. First one, which body issue currency note in India? Another one, the name of which bank appears on the currency note of India? That answer is already given, Reserve Bank of India. Then second answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Questions, whose photograph can you see on this note? Another one, which Indian leader's photograph can you see on the Indian currency note? Third answer, Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Questions, who signs the Indian currency note? Who signs the Indian currency note? Another one, whose signature can you see on the above note? Whose signature can you see on the above note? Answer is Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Fourth answer, rupees. See that sign? Rupee sign. Question, what is the new symbol of the Indian note? Fifth one, national emblem of India. Question, which symbol can you see in the left bottom corner of the currency note? National emblem of India. Next answer, rupees 100. Questions, what are the value of the above note? Another one, what is the denomination of the above note? What is the denomination of the above note? Answer, rupees 100. Next answer, Hindi and English. Question, which two languages are used to write text in the above note? Which two languages are used to write text in the above note? Okay, students. Next we will see info bytes. The white field on the banknote contains a watermark of Mahatma Gandhi. You can see it clearly if you hold the note in front of light. Okay, students. Yes, study this 2 pages, 42 and 43, and write in the copy also. Write and study properly this. Okay, students? Okay, thank you.